There are three reasons why you are not getting results from natural remedies. There are three reasons why you are not getting results from natural remedy. Assuming you take a natural remedy but you never get results, there might be reasons why you never get results from taking natural remedies. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the three reasons why you are not getting results from natural remedy. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the three reasons why you are not getting results from natural remedies? What might be the cause why you never get solution from taking natural remedies? So number one is when your immune system is not clean. Yes, when your immune system is not clean, maybe you have some bacteria, diseases in your body system. They can make you not to get results whenever you take a natural remedy or a natural recipe. When your immune system is not clean, it can lead to lack of good health whenever you take drugs or whenever you take natural remedy. It can also join with natural remedy to cause your body to be disorganized. When your immune system is not clean, it can make you fatigue. You can become weak. You will never be the man you want to be, or you can never be the kind of human you wish you want to be. So whenever you take a natural remedy and you never get results, or you did not get the results you want, it might be the cause of your immune system not being clean. So whenever your immune system is clean, you will always get immediate results whenever you take a natural remedy. So how can you make your immune system to be clean? All you have to do is to take some natural ingredients like ginger, garlic, and what again? Something like honey. All these things can help to clean up your immune system. All these ingredients, ginger, garlic, turmeric, honey, they can make you to clean up your immune system, or they can help you to clean up your immune system. So make sure that you take all these ingredients daily, or maybe 2 to 3 times in a month, to help you clean up your immune system and to also help you to boost up your immune system as a man. Number 2 is lack of consistency. Many people will take natural remedy within a week, maybe a remedy that requires intake of it for complete 3 weeks, a month, but many will decide to take it within 3 days. They give up, or they don't want to continue with the recipe due to tedious or works in preparing those remedies. So whenever you want to get any results, or whenever you want to get anything from a natural remedy, you must learn to be consistent. So when a doctor or a physician or someone recommends something for you or something to you, Ask that person how many days, how many weeks, months it will take for you to get that result, and continue with it, especially natural remedies, because natural remedy is very good. They will give you what you are taking it for and still give you another benefit which you need to live a healthy life. So natural remedy is very good, and you need to be consistent to get your result. Don't take it once or twice and think that you will get the result. No, you need to take it according to the doctor or the physician prescription, or you need to take it according to someone who recommend that remedy to you. Take it within that days or more than the days you will ask to take it for you to get the best result from natural remedy. So lack of consistency can make you never to get result from natural remedy. If you are asked to take it 1 week, take it 1 week, or you can even take it a week and to make sure that you get your result. If you are also asked to take it a month, depending the nature of your sickness or the nature of what you want from natural remedy, take it up to that 1 month and see that you will get it in a way that you want. So lack of consistency is the number 2 reason why you never get result from natural remedy. So if you want to get results from natural remedy, make sure that you adopt consistency. Make sure that you take it according to the doctor prescription so that you will get the solution you want. Do not give up on natural remedy. Natural remedy is the best because they will give you the reason why you are taking it and also give you another benefit which you need to be the best man in life. So any man who wants to get solution or get result from taking natural remedy must be consistent. Once you are consistent, you must get result. Number 3, why you are not getting result from natural remedy is lack of patience. Whenever you are asked to take natural remedy, you must bear in mind that you need patience to get your result. If you are not patient, if you can't endure the time you need to get the result, you will give up, and giving up will lead to not getting that result. So for you to get result from natural remedy, you must always have patience. Just like lack of consistency, you must be consistent until you get your results. Being patient and consistent on taking natural remedy is the ultimate solution to get results from natural remedy. So you must be patient and you must embrace consistency before you will ever think of getting results from natural remedy. So these are the 3 things or the 3 reasons why you are not getting results from natural remedy. The 3 reasons why you are not getting results from natural remedies are: number 1, lack of consistency; number 2, when your immune system is not clean or in order; number 3 is lack of patience. So that is it for today's video, and this is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, kindly hit the like button to support my channel. Subscribe to be a member of this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put it in the comments section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Like and share this video to your friends and family, people you know that might need this video, people you know that this video will be of great value to. Share this video to them. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and I wish you good luck. Bye.